Shop Walk 35 is coming to you. Jeremy, you're gonna have to talk loud.
Usually told to quiet down, Jeremy. You're too loud.
Getting her taped up for the letters.
Yeah, paint the floors blue. Clear the grill. One more piece down. When I get done with this, I'm gonna go outside and get the flares ready because we gotta spray some wrapper liner on the inside. Then I think Nate's gonna do some.
We ought to get our little decal thing in here while he's spraying blue.
I gotta get it primed.
Huh?
Gotta prime it.
Okay.
Last night I sanded it down, cleaned it up, got it ready to prime. So I can prime it.
Nate Dog brought the fall guy in today. I'm gonna see if he's left the keys in it. I'm gonna take it for a spin. Check it out. Oh no, he didn't leave the keys in it. I was hoping you left the keys in it.
Why? Real man's truck.
Huh?
It's a real man's truck.
I talked to everybody on the internet today.
Okay.
Everybody.
Everybody. Okay.
Took a poll of like 7 million.
Oh.
0.297, and they said they want to see the fall guy get on it. Will that thing burn the tires?
Yeah, eat them up. I'll probably will pop an axle if I get on it too hard. Cause those little 10 bolts can't handle those tires.
Well, can you do something?
I can go out there and rev it up. I'm not gonna tear that truck up.
You left out of here a few minutes ago and didn't worry about getting all down on it.
Well, he's got a foot. That was only mediocre after I seen him running out there with the camera. What are we doing?
See? Look who's back, ladies and gentlemen.
Hello, everybody.
Are you
Did you miss me?
de-stressed, relaxed, and ready to get back to the grind?
Already been back at the grind. See my fingers?
It is about mid-afternoon on Monday, so.
So you're just saying I'm just starting to get?
No, I'm just saying, so you should have been grinding already.
Yeah. I'm grinding miscellaneous pieces. Had to spray a little undercoating today. Little undercoating on some Bronco parts, fender flares, and tailgate. Because we are in assembly, folks. Broncos in assembly. Coming together. So we are working on that. And back to the matter at hand. I know y'all missed me. Last week's shot walk kind of sucked, didn't it?
Alright guys, we got a 72 Buick Skylark in, had a accident here. Someone hit the owner in it, spun him around, got the front and the back. Luckily, he was okay, which is the main important thing. Vehicles can be replaced, I don't know if you can tell, but bumper has been shifted over to the left, frames have been a little bit back. These new bumper brackets. It's a nice car. Other than Buicks are hard to find parts for, so pretty much got to put a whole new front end on this bad boy. Head back to assembly. We got our buddy Michael here from the Friday Night Riders doing some detail work for us. Sometimes we farm that out when we're so busy. Brought his nice Mustang here. He calls it Squirrel. It's a bad ride. But he's working on the first stoves for us. Let's see what's going on in here. Oh, you riding your broom again?
Yeah, I'm riding Travis's rod that he took out of the Bronco.
Steering column. We got a Skype call at 4 o'clock, Travis.
Well, who?
Few more questions.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
You want me
Before
to
they
come?
send it up to the network.
No.
Bam!
All that work for that.
Bam! Look at there. That's the way we do it at Creative Rods. You can buy it for 200, but we rebuild them for 400. No, just kidding.
You don't mind being on camera, do you?
Oh, I don't.
You ain't shy, are you? I done showed him a squirrel out there.
Now everybody know where I'm at.
Yep.
Yeah, just doing a little cleaning up on it.
Little shout out to the Friday Night Riders, right?
Hey, Friday Night Riders, the old homeboy back here in the hole. Doing a little cleanup for Vince and Creative Rods and Restoration. Real good bunch of guys. You ought to come out and give them a visit.
What you doing?
Everybody, tell them who you are.
I'm Miss Professor T.
That's right. The better
I'm
half.
the real boss.
The real boss.
The
There
real
you
boss.
go. I hear you.
Y'all just don't know. And I am employee advocate. I tell him he has to be nice to y'all all the time.
Does it work?
And I tell him to y'all he needs to look at their side of things. No, it doesn't work. Or he'll say, I did that, and then it doesn't work.
What's up, Vince?
Getting ready for a little.
Last piece of the puzzle. Get this repaired and we'll get it sprayed. I think if everything hits the track it's supposed to be, we'll be delivering it this week, right? Friday?
Friday. Supposed to pick it up Friday.
And I'll go ahead and say this on camera because the first time I drove was today. It's weird. It's freaky. It's not a truck.
Because it's quiet.
It's quiet. It's smooth. It would be, I don't know. To me, it's like the coolest daily driver I could think of right now around here. I really,
Reliable.
very, right? Yeah, it was kind of weird. It's so quiet.
What you snickering about over here?
I don't know.
The camera?
Yeah.
Did you get your grip rail figured out?
I'm gonna wait till after lunch so I can go home and take my medicine. I forgot.
Uh-oh. So you a little goofy this morning?
Maybe a little bit.
That might not be bad. Let's see how we like the new Kristen.
I don't know.
Huh.
Everybody missed me when I was on vacation. Everybody missed me when I was on vacation.
Did you? I mean, if you did miss them, put a comment down below and let us know. So we'll find out come Friday.
Hey, y'all better show some support for your old bib blog over here. I know y'all miss me. Y'all miss seeing this beautiful face, my nice beard, and everything else.
What y'all get that steering column figured out?
Yeah, we're gonna throw some glazer on here with some matte clear.
Are we going back black or painting it blue or what?
It's gonna stay black.
Okay.
It's gonna stay black. We just having to get it prepped. Put some of that glazzard on there and roll on with it.
Dr. Love out.
Mitchell International does
Look,
body shop.
they paying them boys too much over there at O'Reilly's. I mean, look, look at that.
Work it, Wes. Work it.
Dumb and Dumber.
Video
Oh yeah, caught her again.
on the Mack truck. Oh,
Well,
hey, you
week 2.
missed her earlier.
Oh, she's on another truck.
I was not.
Where was she at?
On Macco. Macco.
So you hit the Macco, the Mac, and the Snap-on truck.
And the Queensboro truck.
You pleading the 5th?
Yep.
Linda.
Last time I had somebody talking to the TV while we was watching it, so
You missed that part?
nah, he was watching it.
What did he say?
He was no, don't be buying nothing. Mom,
She got tools, Chuck. She works.
Uh-oh. Professor T out on... You gonna
See
bind
what
on
happening?
into...
You having? Yeah.
Huh?
You see what's happening?
they sanding the gator skin off.
I'm giving her some guidelines, some goals.
Is that harder to get off, sand off, or not? No.
It's a little harder to sand than Bondo, but it's just like Bondo. It's just a different application of it.
Man, you get the stuff all in your drink.
Hell. Where you get your
You put a rubber glove on top of it like Zach does.
That's too much work. Think about all that time it takes to dang take it off and back on.
Listen, I gotta keep you alive, or else this place is gonna go to hell.
Send me, buddy.
Dang.
I've got a good question for everybody here in a little bit.
Okay.
About what? I told you not to talk to us about that gas. You'll figure it out. If you can't figure that out, then you might ought to go bag groceries.
Dang.
What? He spent 45 minutes putting gas in a golf cart. He's 16. He's got a driver's license. I think he should know how to put gas in a damn golf cart.
So what's your question?
The question is gonna be, if we get this certain build that we may be getting in the future, what is each person's expertise going to be for that car, for that build?
You asking the public that?
No, that's going to be the question for the shop.
Okay. Well, let's add to that. What would the public like for us to build?
Oh, okay.
Put it in the comments below.
Comment. Yeah. Okay.
Just out of curiosity.
The question is, how mad is he gonna be after lunch when I give him his surprise?
Well, you got a surprise for him?
Yeah.
When did this come about?
Yesterday.
She asked me if I was on my period, so it's got something to do with that.
He's like in a bad mood. I asked him if he's on his period.
Yeah.
So during lunch, I'm gonna go get him a surprise. And when he's in them moods, here you go.
You probably about the only one to get away with that.
That's what I said.
He's like sneaky.
I'm like a daggum camera ninja.
Nimja.
Yeah. You ain't never heard of one of them, have you?
No.
Zach,
Are you
I'm gonna let him answer this. Tell him, I said, well, it's got a little funky spot right here, but it'll
That's
be
where
alright.
I told you that.
No, I ain't talking about that. I got that. That's good. It's right here.
got a little funky
And you know
spot?
what? So I said, I give this flat for you. And what'd you say?
I said, how you know it's flat? You ain't got no guide code on it.
So you tell her how magical these hands are.
Does she know who she's
Is-
talking to?
Well, first of all,
Did she just like jump off that cliff?
I mean, first of all, wow.
See?
I mean, you can't even comment on that. You know what happened? This
Guide
man
code?
invented the guide code so that everybody else could at least
Try
try
to be.
to receive and be at his level. I don't have to have guide codes. It used to be called Professor T's.
We're gonna have to have a panel off.
What? A panel off.
A panel off. Well, if it's based on time, you're going to lose. If it's based on straightness, you're probably going to lose. If it's based on not having to go back and fill up pinholes, you're probably going to lose. Anything else you want to know?
I mean, he pretty much. I probably ain't the best, but it'd be hard to beat.
Y'all heard that on
They
camera.
only call me Bondo Ninja.
Bondo Ninja. This is the first time I've seen you saying Bondo.
Well, that's because Bondo
Thank
Ninja
you, I
has to
need
come
that.
out only when needed.
Hey, don't make him break out his air file.
Oh, jeez.
He'll file it down ready for paint with an air file.
Zach, is that possible?
Seen it before, haven't we?
Yeah. Also, you know, in that morning time, you see a lake out in the distance. It's got that fog over it and you can't see nothing. Pretty much what it looks like. When you get a hold of that air file, you can't see nothing in here.
Oh, okay. Yeah, you talking about when I get down with the Bondo Ninja
Yeah,
comes
you
out?
can't see. Everybody and everything's covered in
Oh,
white.
wow. Where was he going with this?
You know what's gonna happen? You're gonna go home, you're gonna take off your shirt. You're gonna be like, God dang, I got Bondo powder on me. Then you're gonna take off your pants. God dang, I still got Bondo powder on me. You know what? You're gonna get to where you take off your skibbies and still got Bondo powder on you.
And you were back in working in the assembly shop. You wasn't even in the shop.
Finally painting the bedside. So she can go home tomorrow. I just got it taped up and cleaned and finished. Now it's done. I'm about to walk out of here and let Professor T come in when he wants to and paint it. Turned out pretty nice.
I think so.
Tyler did a good job putting that gas pocket in the bed.
And you did it. Did you body work that?
Yeah, I did all the body, did everything to it.
That looks good. And the paint matches good on the front fender, so
This is my favorite thing in here, like I ain't lying.
you know he's gonna drive this thing to Raleigh tomorrow.
I believe if he got in it and drove to California, he'd be fine. I can't believe we actually accomplished it as fast as we did.
Well, he made mention of that on one of our posts. That was finished quicker than he expected.
Carter, you're the man.
He did a good
You did
job.
a great job.
Nate Dog! What? Wake up. Listen, we got to talk about something on your own camera. You need to turn the volume up a little bit.
Turn the volume up.
That's better.
Well, you had that fuzzy thing last time.
But you talk soft like I do.
Okay.
I mean, I'm right here on the camera, so my voice is... But sometimes your voice... I can't turn the volume up on the video because then my voice is way too loud. So you got to just, you know...
Well, maybe I should be the only one talking, and then the...
Okay, I'm going to zip it up. Talk.
What do you want me to say? What do you want to... Well, here we have a blue Bronco that I'm putting together. It's for a customer. 74. Got a fender flare on. And that's all I've got to say about that.
Listen, if y'all can't start producing content, I'm gonna stop paying y'all for this.
We get paid for that.
Huh? What?
Somebody's getting paid? Oh, this is some bull crap. I've been doing this all this time and everybody been getting paid.
We're
and I
movie
ain't-
stars. Where's our check?
Y'all heard that,
Actually,
folks.
he's a movie star. I'm still learning. I ain't quite got it yet.
Got what? Listen, you got a distinct advantage.
Why?
Why?
Because the way I sound on camera.
Well, that's one thing, but listen, I probably sound the same way, but listen,
No.
you are an attractive female working in a man's industry.
Right.
You got it beat already, dang! I mean, you 98% there. All you gotta do is bring 2% to the table.
Don't let him do it to you.
Huh?
Don't let him do it to you. You ain't got your check yet. He's trying to sugar you up.
That's right. Dang, if I got paid for it, I might not be as scared.
You know, Nate Dogg is back there still saying, you know, he's the greatest on that scale.
Oh, we back to that crap again. I thought I didn't give y'all the lesson on you know, where the best is.
On shot walk 34.
Yeah, last week. So I guess the reason he's the greatest is he is the only one back there in that shop. So it's not hard to be the greatest when you're by yourself.
Well, that's true. I mean, he's the greatest in that shop right now.
That's
I mean,
right. I mean, as soon as I walk in, he's not the greatest no more. Remember what I said?
foundation.
Strongest is at the bottom. That's
Foundation.
Where the foundation is.
Huh. I wonder what he's gonna have to say about that.
That's right.
Some kind of bull caca.
Definitely some bullcock.
I think Zach's got a dance for you.
Cowboy boogie.
Yeah. He said he learned it.
Learnt.
Learned.
Learnt. Hey, that's a new word. Let's put it on the board. Learnt. He done learnt it.
I ain't doing that by myself.
I learned it tonight, and we'll do it tomorrow.
Was that gonna be it tomorrow? What kind of music y'all need?
No, it's a song. It's to a specific song. It's called the Cowboy. No, they just called Get Up or something, man.
Yeah, that's the one everybody's been doing.
Yeah.
You know that one now? You know the
But you
dance?
gotta wear some shorts,
Hey, man.
and some cowboy boots.
What he can do is roll them things up.
With cups on.
I mean, I don't know about you, but I ain't
Bring
got.
a pair of blue jeans and we'll tie them off.
I ain't got a cheap pair of blue jeans.
Go to the Goodwill.
Have you
This-
seen
this-
me? Have
look-
you seen me lately?
Listen. Okay, guys, Professor T just finished painting the F100, the back side bed here where we had fabricated in the Crown Vic gas door and so forth. But just finished baking it. Looks really good. Bring it out of the booth a little later today and put a little test miles on it, and then owner's picking it up tomorrow.
About what she's fixing to do.
No, I'm good with it. I'm
What
real
I
good
may
with
do.
it. No, I'm good with that too.
I know you say you're awesome and all that good stuff, but sometimes you just cry too much. And I felt like you was a little thirsty. I got you. Got you a little bottle. And
Put on the shirt.
this is for when you start crying.
That's pretty good.
You can just stick it in your mouth.
You know, the bad part, his paw actually gonna like it like Cheeto stuff.
I would. Remind me of riding the dirt bike.
It even says Little Princess on it. Here's your lid. I can't do it on the spot like that. No, I can't.
Don't think about it. You gotta turn it on like a light switch.
Give me about 5 minutes.
For what?
Do I gotta show you how it's done? Come on.
Ready, action whenever you're ready.
Shot Walk 35. Y'all need to check it out. See what's going on, because I sure can't.
Is it recording?
Mm-hmm.
Is it recording?
Mm-hmm.
Hey, y'all. Y'all in there?
They in there.
Can you see me?
They can see you.
See your nose hurt.
I can't see you. Will y'all watch some Shot Walk 35 tomorrow night?
He's starting to make my Agent Orange act all up.
He ain't old enough for that.
I was in NAM. I had Charlies all over me.
Hey,
What?
Shot Walk 35, what's going to happen this week?
Pretty
Come
sure.
on, Cletus.
Pretty sure. Gonna be something funny happening.
Come on, Cletus.
Like crooked body lines, all kind of good stuff.
Cletus, come on,
I
Cletus.
can't do it.
Come on, Cletus.
You got it.
Let everybody know
Let everybody know what.
how much you enjoy working here.
I enjoy working here so much. Now give me that 20.
Run!
Hey y'all, I'm Miranda with Creative Rods. Don't forget to like, share with your friends, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.